Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Sorkar Jylla kalayo ban khot jingalang yeki arngut ki CEM. Kata ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, bat ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, bat ki khlit nong senchar. Banyak keren halor ka jingtmu ban penbet ya uput usam, kabalalong mentakasngi ka khat santrik nok pra arhajar arpaway, ha sekretarian. Na KHADC lami kmado ba Titos Tarwel Khan, kum UCEM, bat ubat thombor Shiwan, CEM ka GHADC, bat harengkat ki MDC.
Ini berjaya dengan kesin ke Pynskhem, ya keba New ini kendu ke government, ada yang ada ke kaput. Te tiladon ki regional committee, sebab ki cepat dijogi ten ini tam lowest senior ke Jylla district. Jika ni pak ketika kesin ke Pynskhem, keba kalian siap ke kabinet ke dapat ini ke district council ya siap ke daerah bagian berkunjung kata berlaku di MDC dan di nong sosial. Jika angka bagi keren ini ketika ju kebahan nilai keren hati regional committee dan mereka masuk tenak yang kejungi ke council buat dalam bah yang tu kebahan di komiti mentah sini nilai IT ya report comprehensive report ya kebahan kan kumki facts and findings dibangi ngilang buat kunjung ya di annection di babun mas buat bagi summit secara state. Kami ni kalau bah ke Sorkar ke depan ya dekat ke paragraf 20 juga 6 itu akaba ke area Jong ki Jaga di bahap ke hasil autonomous council kinde ni kita Jaga ki bangin claim ban Pynskhem ya ke claim ke Jong bat ke Sorkar besar. Bila ai dokumen separuh dibagi summit di Hima, naduk di sanad, naduk di notification di berker, naduk di map berker di mana di Hima baru jadi di area di badan area of differences, tinggilah summit secara government, kumki reference.
Makan nutli ki nong rai di bahap po ke jurisdiction jong ke district council di bahap po border.
Yang mentah bila om bagi gila ai kan pendek jong ke rule. Kompetitif ke ID rules lah form akan 1952. Di situ kisnong di bahap apa ke ID rules ke ini apa ke United Khasi Jaintia Hills District Autonomous Council itu di kisnong di bahap apa ke jurisdiction. Jika continuous proses kebangindang yang keren buat unsa bisyar mentah nak kalian Sorkar ikut Islam ini bahkan ada kende hiju ini kamar ba ki Hima ki jumi ru hakim ki tidak pernah ki beladap lah summit sebagai Sorkar dengan arai kan nombor akan menentang kan nyawat kumju ini tambahkan kamu ini kembangkan kamu yang ada kuat yang berjumlah nama kamu yang asing di sana di dalam ini dokumen di Pynskhem susu yang ada jumlah try gitu ini suaka jumlah meeting kebantu rai mereka di consultation meeting kebantu yang mir jingmut ni ai jingmut ni pen ai di idea di jumi lagi ki jing snow di jumi kamtam nak kalian jom kita nak saja rai ka meeting kalau kaba seso bat kaba don jingkerman na banta ban video ban solve no ini problem kaba ila tipat ba ila anggut pada problem kaba sakut masalah bun senam kamtam adu bangina kenjo san Pynskhem jo video ini dia kecil.
Assalamualaikum. Adangkan meneh haba haji yede bakar tasila. Haji yo I jomi kampan istu. Nama kiji untuk kisau kan diskuli. Nakal samro kamjungan interpret. Andai lada manda wan patali por bagi pembek no yukut. Dah dapat kapal. Bakadon ka dia ki kore ya itu berita juga senang tasira. Andai ka senang tasira ke balang ke babodang dakawa marido. Bila TV ngado nang tu itu dengan syakam don ke dispute itu jaga.
Ada bakam pas.
Nakablok pun yang meneh ni klaim Israel itu. Ada nak kalian jongi nak sesekal jongi nak pasal ni don ki dokumen ni don ki proof. Bapak kita senang bisa don mensua ke ilaka kitip ha ke ilaka ke latang dong pulut ke baju hap apa ke jipet jong ke setutin ha betia anu itu tak kambang anu itu video bawa don itu ilaka kiwan ban aprut kikwa ban tempau kikwa ban ya don saka Meghalaya. Dia kata minta proses minta hilang ya pun. Hilang jual pan dan hilang hilang bak nong ki yang mang jual pan sana. Kita minta pergi ke bawah. Ada kepala ada ni lah ada kepala ada. With understanding what the government.
Today, our Honorable Chief Minister has called a meeting with the concerned stakeholders, right from the level of the district council, Khasi Hills Autonomous Council, Jati Hills Autonomous Council, and the traditional heads within these district councils. That was the first meeting, so we had a very detailed discussions, suggestions, submissions made by the concerned stakeholders. So from the government side, we already accepted the views submitted by the stakeholders, as I said to you, and I'm happy to tell you that we will go forward as far as the issue of boundary issue is still pending. So now the government will examine thoroughly, be it from the political party, be it also from the NGOs. We will take it on, and ultimately our Chief Minister will meet counterpart Chief Minister Dr. Hima sooner or later. This is the last consultation meeting that we had. But of course, for the next phase, the second phase again for another 6, because right now we are concentrating ourselves in the 6 sectors, 6 areas, and then the other 6 areas, I think most probably maybe next year we'll be able to take it up. Once the first 6 sector is resolved, then the second phase will take it up, maybe most likely next year. Ask the document available from their side, the documents, the land documents, and then the historical background that we have. So whatever submissions made, we will again examine from the government, and ultimately one-to-one meeting between both the chief ministers from Meghalaya as well as from Assam. Then they will sit down, as I said to you, and then take a final call on this.
There is demand also that to put the report of the regional committee on the public domain. What's the government stand on?
See, right now we cannot do that because this is the report we submitted to the Honorable Chief Minister, both Chief Ministers. So we already submitted, and now let the Chief Minister, both the Chief Ministers, sit down, and ultimately, once the decision is taken, then we can make it public. There's no harm in that. But right now we cannot do that. I think people, they understand also the reality where we cannot just put in the public domain. I think you understand. When we talk about the report of committee or the subcommittee or whatever, I think we are not supposed to put it in the public.